Folks, this is John with Ozarks Backroads with you today. Today's December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. We've got some really nice weather that's moved in here in the Ozarks, and I thought I'd get out, take the mighty FJR out for a circle, and wound up here in the woods. We're going to take a look at what it looks like here in the Ozarks in the winter time when there's no leaves on the trees. So we'll take a little ride and check some of this out. We'll get on down the road here. I got some places I want to go. Might get the drone up today. Just beautiful weather. We're on a little creek here. I don't even know what creek this is, but it's pretty. End of December, and it's going to be 60 degrees for the next couple of days. We're up in the 60s, so you got to get out when you get a chance like that. I think it's the law. Beautiful. Oh, it's good to be out. It don't matter what time of year it is. It's nice when you're in the woods. Like somebody's camping. I think I'm going to put the drone up and take a look at some of this awesomeness we got going on right here. It's beautiful. Got to see just how deep we are in the woods. We're kind of out here. All right, we're going to run down the road. Got another spot I want to check out and fly. Man, this is just beautiful country. The old FJR, it's hadn't got much use after the one trip we took this year. I haven't ridden it a whole lot. Got it out today. I think I'm going to take the Tiger out, the Triumph out tomorrow. Look at that, isn't that something? What a view. Yeah, I think tomorrow is supposed to be another really nice day. Me and a couple of friends, we're going to go do some trail riding out in the Irish wilderness, which is an area in the Ozarks, pretty remote area. So that should be kind of cool. Get out in the, we'll be in the woods tomorrow, riding trails and stuff. So we'll get a video of that too. Put something together. Hopefully nothing eventful happens, but if it does, I'll try to get it on video. Show it to you. We had a pretty good time. We went out about a month ago, or 6 weeks maybe. I don't know. Yeah, probably about a month ago. With this one of these guys, and we had a really good time. Got into some pretty hairy stuff. Got into way more than I wanted to be into, but once you get into that, you got no choice. When you're in it, and you got to get out. So that's kind of what happened on that day. Woohoo, look at this. Well, that's a view. I don't care who you are. Got trash blown up here. That ain't cool. I think there's a pretty nice view off on this side over here too. So we'll, oh man. Got a lot of haze in the air today. What that's all about. was a pretty nice flight we had there. That ought to be some pretty cool footage. I've been on this road for about an hour now, messing around, and haven't had a single car. I haven't met a single car all day on this road. Wow, what a view. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love this country. In case you didn't know, I'll just tell you, I love this country. It's pretty nice to ride a motorcycle in or just live in most of the time. This is 125 here, Highway 125. We're just south of Chadwick, Missouri a little ways. It's kind of a highway, State Highway 125 south of Chadwick down to, all the way down to Peel, Arkansas. Chadwick, Missouri to Peel, Arkansas is kind of a destination. It's like the dragon, Tail of the Dragon. People come from all around to ride this road on their bikes, and a lot of them just out to see how fast they can go, but kind of dangerous sometimes. But it's a pretty road, without a doubt. Wow, it's 62. Can you believe that? 62 on December 23rd. That's pretty nice. That's my kind of December right there. I'll take all that you got. This road's here gets enough traffic. There's not a lot of gravel and crap from where they salt and graveled it in the ice storm. Most of it's gone now. It's been cleaned off by traffic. A lot better shape. Those little secondary roads I was on earlier had a lot of gravel on them, especially in the corners, sharp corners. Not a good place to come on the gravel all of a sudden. It's the way it is in the winter. The other thing here in the Ozarks, and it may be like this everywhere probably, but a lot of times when you have dirt roads that come up to a highway like this, it'll be on a curve. I don't know why, but this just seems like the dirt roads will meet these roads on a curve like this one. And you got to watch those, like this right here. You got to watch those after you get a big rain, because gravel will wash off of those roads, those dirt roads out onto the highway. And on a lot of some of the corners will have a gravel washed out across it after you get a rain. A thunderstorm or something will come through, and that's real common, especially in the spring and the summer when you get the heavy rains. Well, folks, I appreciate you coming and checking out the woods with me on the mighty FJR here at the end of December in 2019. Got a couple of days. Christmas is coming, and then we're going to have a new year, be 2020. Kids are out of school. Do a wheelie, yeah, right. Well, they got a graveyard right on the bank of the river. Anyhow, I appreciate y'all coming and checking out the woods here at the end of December and seeing what it's like in the winter in the Ozarks. Got to take a ride on the FJR, got to fly the drone out in the woods. That should have been pretty. But anyhow, I invite y'all to come back. We got more things to do and more places to go. Until I catch up with you again, y'all take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you later.